Before air conditioning, summer heat slowed work, disrupted sleep, and shaped daily life across much of America. Expanding cities struggled through long, humid summers, relying only on shade, open windows, and patience. High humidity caused paper to expand and machinery to misalign, creating costly production challenges. A young engineer named Willis Carrier was asked to solve the humidity problem inside a Brooklyn factory. In 1902, his system controlled temperature and humidity, allowing reliable factory production. Businesses soon realized controlled air made indoor spaces more comfortable and attracted larger crowds. Cooling systems allowed sealed buildings and greater height, reshaping American urban design. Reliable indoor cooling supported rapid growth across southern cities and industries. What began as industrial equipment gradually became standard inside American homes and workplaces. Air conditioning permanently transformed architecture, industry, and everyday life across the United States.